All right, y'all, here's a quick video on how I fix my fences. I keep a fence stretcher with me. I keep these splicets, just a little smooth barrel. These are for 12.5 to 14 gauge barbed wire. Standard issue fencing pliers. These are good and broke in. These got a lot of miles on them. I love these pliers. And crimping tool, looks kind of like a bolt cutter. If you see there's a gap there, that's the part of it where you use to splice. And if you go all the way to the bottom of it, the opening, you can use them for wire cutters. This one here has been crimped already. I left this one uncrimped just for the sake of the video. As you can see, I got 4 more strands to do, 5 total. I keep a bag, a tool bag with me. It's got some T-post clips in there and some Jake's wire tighteners. I love these things. Those are great. I got to meet the guy that owns the company at the cattle convention a while back. Talked to him for a little bit. Let's look in my toolbox. This is actually a gun crate. It's for holding a rifle and ammo and stuff, but I saw it online. I liked it. I thought it would be great for a toolbox, and I was looking for something with these specific dimensions that would fit inside the mule's bed. In here, it's got a Tupperware container. Got a couple of bags of T-post clips. Container here with some staples in it, some more splicets. This is the tool. This is not the actual Jake's wire tightener tool. This is an off-brand, but it works pretty good. Some more Jake's, and just a spool of wire and a hammer. And I also keep a lot of spare, just scrap pieces of wire for patching fences, and I keep a spool of barbed wire with me too. So that's everything. I keep my daytime rifle with me for the Yotes. And standard issue magpie dog. Well, that's it. That's what I keep with me to fix these fences. I probably do this about every other day, it seems, fixing a fence. But it's pretty quick and easy. Out here where I'm at now, I don't have any shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, because I got more fences to check and pastures to check, so I can shut some gates and everything. All right, y'all, I hope y'all found the video helpful. Hope you might have learned a little something, and maybe you can put in the comments on your method. Maybe I can learn something from you. I'm always open to new ideas and methods of things. There's Dak. He's gonna get under that shade tree. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll see y'all soon. Y'all take care.